Hello and welcome to Health on Your Plate. I'm Shipra Khanna and I've got some yummy and healthy recipes just for you. And today I'm going to be making stir-fried chicken in coconut oil. Coconut oil is a superfood and it tastes so yum in recipes, I can't tell you. It's really yum. So, without much ado, I've heated a pan. I'm putting compressed coconut oil, which is a superfood, to the pan. Wow, it's already smelling so good. Then I'm going to add a little bit of garlic, a little bit of ginger. I have spring onions here, the white part and the green part. A quick toss. Wow, my kitchen is smelling of coconut oil and it's so yummy, I can't tell you. And here's the chicken. This is chicken breast, which is diced into pieces. It's a very yummy and easy recipe. So till the time it's cooking, I'll tell you about coconut oil. Coconut oil in food is the compressed coconut oil. It's not the regular coconut oil that you put on your hair. That is a big no-no. Don't start using the hair oil in your food. It's the different oil that we use in food and it's really healthy. It's from your Indian market and it is proven to be a superfood. Compressed coconut oil has been proven to be a superfood. And you can read more about it in my book, Superfoods for Awesome Memory, because compressed coconut oil also improves your memory. So this recipe, if you want, you can have with rice, with noodles, with quinoa. It's your call, but it's really simple, really yummy. If you want, you can just have it like that as well. A little bit of salt, quick mix again. Now is the taste test before it's done. Super duper. Chicken is cooked through, it's tasting so good. And who knew that with just 3-4 ingredients you can make such a yummy recipe that you can serve your friends and family and have it at any hour of the day. Trust me, you're going to love it. ये तैयार हो गया है, इसको मैं जल्दी से प्लेट करती हूँ. Wow, it's smelling so good. My kitchen is smelling amazing right now. You have no idea. But trust me, this is the best chicken stir fry recipe which you will really enjoy.